To make apple pomegranate sorbet, start by making a pomegranate honey simple syrup. Then core and chop 3 or 4 red delicious apples, or the apple variety of your choice, to total 400 grams, and add 100 grams of pomegranate honey simple syrup. Then add the juice of a fresh lemon, which is an important part of the recipe to stop the fresh apple from oxidizing, and adds a citrusy tartness. Then blend into a juice and strain through a fine mesh sieve to make the sorbet silky smooth, and immediately freeze in a gelato machine. The sorbet is ready when it has thickened into a nice soft serve consistency and is best served straight from the machine. For a plated presentation, add a drizzle of pomegranate molasses to the bottom of a chilled mason jar and add a couple scoops of apple pomegranate sorbet. Then top with a frosting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of pomegranate molasses to add contrasting colors and an intense flavor, and an apple fan to add a fresh crunch.